younger me. He had big dreams, like really big, and I wanted to make money online so badly. I tried everything. E-commerce, tried it. Freelancing, tried that too. Photoshop, video editing, voiceover work, YouTube. I just dabbled in every corner of the internet hustle. But no matter what I touched, nothing ever stuck. It wasn't the ideas, it wasn't the tools, and it wasn't even the skills. It was me. I lacked discipline. I was waiting for motivation to knock on my door like it was Amazon Prime. But motivation is a guest. Discipline, that's the one who lives with you. Okay, enough drama, real talk. It's already July 2025. If you're sitting there like, where did the year go? Well, you're not alone. But here's the thing, it's not too late. You've got 5 whole months. That's 150 days. That's even Beyonce level transformation time. And today, I'm going to show you how to turn your financial mess into a comeback story. No more lectures, just real talk. This video is your reset button. It may contain some call to actions. Make sure you follow them. I really want this video to be a standing point, not just a video in your day. So let's hit the reset on 2025, yeah? Section 1, face the financial reality. First, we can't fix what we don't look at. Pull up your notes app, spreadsheets, journal, whatever, and ask yourself this. How much did you actually save this year? Did you invest anything? What were your biggest money leaks? Was it Uber Eats? Impulse shopping? Just type it. And be honest, this isn't about guilt. It's about clarity. Think of this as your financial selfie. Without filters, just facts. Section 2. Build a budget that doesn't suck. Now, budgeting doesn't have to be boring. You're not grounded. You're in control. So here's my version of budgeting. 50% needs. That's include rent, food, Wi-Fi, to watch this channel obviously. 30% wants. And yes, Netflix and iced coffee counts. 20% saving and investing, aka future yours freedom pass. Section 3, save money like a sneaky pro. Okay, let's be real. Saving money sounds easy until a friend texts you, let's get sushi or machetes. So how about we make it a game? Set a 5-month challenge. Save 10,000 or even 500 by December. Every unnecessary purchase, add that amount to saving instead. Create a do I really need this waiting list. And remember, saving equals buying freedom. Section 4, start investing even if you're broke. Now the fun part, investing. Scary word? Well, maybe, but hear me out. You don't need millions to invest. You just need to start. Even with $500 or $20, you can start investing. You can look into index funds for long-term, ETFs for low risk, and start with invest what you would blow on delivery food once a week. That's it. And you will build the habit, which is the most important part. Section 5, wealth building mindset. Okay, money isn't just math, it's mindset. If you believe money's hard, stressful, and not for you, guess what? It will be. But if you shift your mindset to money gives me options, I deserve financial freedom, and I'm building wealth for future me, you start acting different. Stop flexing and start investing. Section 6, your 5-month comeback plan. Alright, let's build your 2025 comeback plan. Since July is almost over, so you're going to only review everything and build the budget. August, cut 2 unnecessary expenses. September, start saving challenge. And as I told you, could be 10%, 20%, just the more you save, the quicker you get. October, make your first investment. November, learn one new income skill. Could be whatever, writing, editing, just add this. December, reflect and plan for 2026. No more waiting for a new year. The comeback starts now. If you made it this far, you're serious, and I respect that. Drop a comment with your money goal for the rest of 2025. And hey, how about we make the comment section a type of documentation? Everyone just document your goal, type the date of the day, and let's all support each other and come back at the end of the year and check our goals. And hey, if you want real talk, smart money tips, and zero bullshit motivation, hit that subscribe button and join the Affluency Talks fam. We're not just building wealth, we're building a lifestyle of freedom. So let's go.